guys, welcome to a new video. Please like and subscribe if you like this content. The first accessory that I have is the Video Micro Compact Camera Microphone by Rode. See, it has a little piece of tape there, so I got me a little comb. It was right there to open it. I probably should have been more prepared with the scissors, but don't judge me. So it comes in a plastic with all the accessories within it. If you hear anything, that's my baby and my 3-year-old. So the dead mouse comes on the, the dead cat comes on the microphone, and then it comes with a stand and an aux cord, and of course all the boring stuff with the instructions and the pamphlet. So one thing that I was worried about is the dead cat fitting on the microphone really snug, and I don't have no worries about it coming off. It fits on there really well, and you see you could just slide on the microphone onto the stand, and that's the aux cord. One side goes into the microphone, the other side goes into the camera. And that's the little contraption. It's perfect. It's a perfect size. So the next thing that I got is the Ulanzi light for low light situations. And it really, it's bright. It's very bright. So it comes, of course, with the charger, which is a C cable, and the light. So the light is rechargeable. No batteries involved in the process, which is perfect. It has different intensities for the light. And I really like it. I really do. I've used it a few times in low light situations, and I can say that it is worth the money. Another feature that it has is the slots, so that the microphone can just slide onto there, and it's just a perfect little situation. This is the cage that I also got. I needed some protection for the camera because I'm very clumsy. And I also needed something that can allow me to open up the charging port, the battery port and the memory card while I have it on a tripod. And this is the perfect solution for that. And of course, this wood detailing is everything. I really like it. It's stylish and functional. What more can you ask for? Next, this is a tripod selfie stick extension thing. If you have been doing your research on the Sony ZV-1, you know that whenever you're in active mode, it crops the image in. So I needed something that was able to smoothen out my walking or my running, whatever I'm doing with the camera, and also put a little distance between me and the camera. So this is the perfect thing. I use the active mode, it'll crop in, and then I can put a little bit of distance with this tripod. It has 3 legs, and then the leg in the middle, that part right here is where you move the head around, and it also pulls out. I'm not too worried about the sturdiness. I trust it. It's very, very sturdy since I've been using it for this last month. Next thing I have here are the extra batteries. Extra batteries for the Sony ZV-1 is a must. You need it. The charge life of the original battery is an hour. These two, they're very comparable to the original battery that comes with the camera. I like them so much, I'm probably gonna buy another set. And these little cases that they come in, it comes in handy. I don't have to worry about my battery in my purse getting dust, and you know how our purses could be. It keeps everything clean and tidy and well organized. Next is a lens. When I was doing the research and I did find out about the cropping in of the image, this is also another thing that you can buy in order to alleviate the problem with the crop. It's a wide angle lens and it doubles as a macro lens. So it has two lenses in one. The first one, whenever you have the two together, it's a wide angle lens, and then you screw off the front and it turns into a macro lens. On the side of it is it comes with an adhesive for it to fit onto the camera and not fall off. I have not used it yet, but once I do use it, I'll probably make like an update video about how it's working and all the features and all the nice things. Next thing is a tempered glass and a car mount for the camera. The tempered glass comes with 3 different tempered glass in there. I guess if you accidentally break one, it comes with a dust absorber and 2 different wipes to clean off your screen before you put your tempered glass on there. I feel like this is a must-have. You need it, especially when working with screens. It's okay. And this is the car mount. It works. It's a car mount. I mean, it's nothing too special. I also on the other side got a suction cup holder, I guess, because there's no smooth surfaces on my dashboard. So I bought this where it sticks onto your dashboard and you can clip on the mount. And that is it. That was pretty much the review of all the things that I got off of Amazon, all the different accessories for this camera. One thing that I did get that's not, well, it's not really a camera accessory, but it's this ring light. Seeing all the different kinds of ring lights out there, and this by far is the best one that I've seen so far. Another thing that I also got that I did not show earlier was this backdrop. I think it's beautiful. You cannot tell me that this is not brick. You can't tell me that this is not brick. Listen, I have a corner of my house that got brick in it. I got filming wise, it's not really a camera accessory, but it is. It is this ring light. It's one of the smart ones. I also have that down in the description box along with all the other things that I opened, well, unboxed. This ring light is bomb. It comes with this little remote. It also comes with a shutter for phones. It won't work with my camera, but hey, whenever I'm out, if I wanted to take pictures on my own and I only had my phone, I can use a shutter from far away. Hold on, let me go get it. Shutter button. It works with iOS, and this is it right here. It's iOS and Android, so if you're out and about and you have your tripod and you want to take pictures, you could just use this and you don't have to keep on changing it, putting on the timer and all that jazz. So I think that's it for this video. Don't mind my appearance. This is my work wig. I am active duty in the Marine Corps, and of course we have hair standards, so my hair has to be short. This is my work wig, and it's storming outside. Today decided to storm the day that my packages came in. But yeah, this is my work wig. This is what I wear to work. I just throw it on. It's not even glued on. But we're not going to tell nobody that. Nobody has to know. But yeah, I wear this one to work. It's really cute, I think. Of course, it accentuates all the weight that I've gained from having my baby, but that's besides the point. Thank you for watching this video. What do people say? Like and subscribe if you like my content. I'm going to be giving you guys content every week, at least once a week for right now, until I get the hang of this editing and recording and planning out stuff, because I do work full-time and I have a new baby and I'm in college. So let's see how this all goes. Hopefully once a week. I'm saying Mondays. But don't quote me on that. Bye.